Welcome back my YouTube channel Old Coin Z Collection. Today we're going to talk about one of the most interesting and valuable coins in the 1983 Cyprus 2-cent coin, famously known as the Brothers coin. Isn't just currency, it's a story carved in metal. But why is this coin so special? What makes collectors worldwide obsessed with it? Let's dive deep into its mysteries. Country: Cyprus. Period. Republic of Cyprus, 1983. 2007 currency: Cypriot pound. Coin type: circulation. Coin denomination: 2 cents. Year: 1983. Composition: nickel brass. Edge type: smooth shape, round alignment. Metal: 0 degrees. Weight: g. 2.58 diameter. Nm. 19 thickness. 1.25. That the Brothers coin was minted in 1983 in the Republic of Cyprus, a small Mediterranean island nation with a rich cultural heritage. This coin belongs to a series of currency that reflects the country's history, identity, and struggles. Discuss the political and economic background of Cyprus in the 1980s. Mention why this coin became a standout piece among collectors. Issued by the Central Bank of Cyprus. Made of bronze with a unique depiction of 2 figures representing brothers. Symbolic design representing unity and cooperation in a divided nation. Diameter, weight, and thickness. Bronze composition and its significance in coin. Minting. Emblem of Cyprus and inscription: .2 Brothers. Stylized to represent unity. What's the real value of the 1983 Brothers coin today? Well, it depends. Condition is everything in the collector's world. Condition: circulated versus uncirculated. Rarity and demand among collectors. Market trends in Cypriot numismatics. Estimated price range: from a few dollars to significant sums in top condition. Why is it called the Brothers coin? Explanation of symbolism. How many were minted in 1983? Insight into production numbers and rarity. It's still in circulation. Discuss the transition to euros in Cyprus. What should I look for to verify authenticity? Tips 4. Spotting fake or replica coins. Proper storage to avoid oxidation. Cleaning do's and don'ts. Reputable coin dealers, online platforms, and local auctions. The 1983 Cyprus 2-cent coin is more than just a piece of change. It's a slice of history and a treasure for collectors. Do you own one of these gems, or are you searching for it? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, Old Coin Z Collection, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating coin stories.